Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here today with another vlog. So for those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. So today is Saturday. It is kind of a beautiful day outside, so I will be going shopping with my friends. So I still haven't fully furnished my living room. I just bought some couches, so I'm so excited for them to arrive. But I'm gonna be going to Homegoods, Hobby Lobby, and a couple of home stores to do some shopping for my living room. I'm so excited. I am gonna be picking up my friend right now. She's gonna be coming with me. So look who's coming shopping with us. Adora the Doodle. She looks so cute today. She has these cute little pink bows, her little cute collar. She's so excited. She's gonna be out. Oh, she wants to jump to my seat. Every time I drive, I always put her in the passenger and somehow she just ends up on my lap every time. She's trying to do that now, but I'm not gonna allow her to do that today. So she ended up here in my lap. This is how she ends up every single time. Every time I put her in the passenger, she just somehow ends up here, and she always keeps her head down. I don't know why. So I am almost to my friend's house. I did actually make her a green juice. I made myself one as well. I am about 5 minutes away. I am so excited to go shopping for my home. I've been like traveling and just doing so much. I haven't really had the chance to like go out and buy like furniture and all of that. So I cannot wait to also see her. I haven't hanged out with her. I was in Europe for about 30 days, so I'm excited to see her. I did also get her a cute souvenir. So I got her this perfume. It's called Positano Sunset. It smells so good. I got it in Positano, Italy. I am the type of person who I just love giving gifts. Like, it makes me so happy to give somebody something and just see their reactions. But I will go ahead and see you guys when I pick her up. I just picked up Iris. She's gonna be helping me decorate my home. We came first to HomeGoods, and then we're gonna go to like Marshall's and a couple other stores. And then here's Adora. She ended up in my lap again.
Adora's living her best life.
She is. She's gonna go shopping for home stuff. So we're gonna go in there and we'll see you guys there. I am hoping and crossing my fingers that I find this mirror that I've been on the hunt for. So I'm gonna just hope that they have it. So I was looking for like some vases because I did want to put like pampas grass and eucalyptus, but I think this one's actually really cute because all my furniture is gonna be black, so I want to do like a pop of color. So I think I'm gonna get this one. This one is only $9.99. I think this is a steal because usually like Crate and Barrel, something like this would be like $50. And we actually found this really cute bug. Iris actually told me to get this. So on Amazon, these are like $50. I'm gonna just take off the cover and it's all black, and then just put like some candles on top. This is only $6. I'm so excited. So I'm looking now for a cutting board. I really like this one, but I just don't like the gray parts. I think I'm gonna keep looking, and I am getting one of these for my spatulas. I love how they have all the Thanksgiving decorations already. Well, let's say fall. All these pumpkins are so cute. I actually used to have these in California. I'm gonna be going back soon. I'm gonna take an extra luggage and bring them back with me. But these are all my favorite. Look at how cute they are. They're such a vibe. So I usually don't decorate for Halloween, but I think I might this year because all this stuff is just so cute. And me and my friends are going to be having a Halloween party. Oh my god, there's a lizard. Oh. No, she was grabbing something and a lizard came off. Adora's looking for it now. Adora's like, where's that lizard that's getting her? There was a little lizard. There was a lizard. I seen it fall off. Oh my gosh, she was grabbing this little thing and a lizard just fell out of this thing. Adora was worried for her. Okay, so I've been looking for some frames and look at what I found. I feel like these are perfect and they're only $39. They do also have two of these. Every time I find some, they only have one, but I think this would be cute with like a console table and like some cute decor on top. And Iris was just telling me that she can do like a black framing. She knows a place where they do that, so I think that would be cute with like a black framing. So for sure I'm gonna get this. Yay! I've been looking for one of these everywhere. I know they have them on Amazon, but I've been so lazy to order it. And we found this one. It actually has this little clear thing, so it sticks to the tub, and it's only $9.99. Iris is getting one too for our little bubble baths. So we just left HomeGoods. We literally got everything that we needed. We came to IKEA now, and then we might go to Hobby Lobby afterwards if we have time. But I think we did pretty good, right?
We did excellent. We got basically everything that I needed. I just need to get those towels for the bathroom, and that's it.
And now we're gonna get it in IKEA. And then for me, I think I just need to get like a console table, which I found some online. And then at IKEA, I'm just gonna get like little decor pieces and just little things that I need around the house. So we will go ahead and see you guys inside IKEA. Wow, these couches are beautiful. I love this green color, and they actually feel very comfortable. Those are actually new. Oh, look, Adora likes them. She loves going on the couches. She sleeps on the couch at home. I am getting these robes. I love these robes. These are the best. They are also really good price. I am getting these for $29.99. They do also have a gray color, but in the white ones they only have a size large and a large XL, and in the gray they do have small medium. I really wish they had the white ones in a small medium, because this is what it looks like, and then this is the large one. So this one's pretty long, but it's okay. We're still gonna get the white ones. And then Iris came to get her towels. She got so many towels. You remind me like at the hotels, you know, when they just buy so much towels. Yeah, so she got those towels. I am looking for a carpet, but I have a Dora. She's still potty training, so I want to get something that's not too expensive so we can test it out and then get a really nice one. I think I might end up getting this one. This one has like black and beige, and my couches are beige, and all of my decor is going to be black. They do also have this color here. This one has a little bit more beige and then some black as well. I really like this one here. I'm gonna see, hopefully Adora doesn't pee on it, but if she doesn't, I'll probably come back for this one or this one here. This is really cute. So I was just in Sweden not that long ago, and I tried these for the first time in Sweden, and they're so good. Before leaving Sweden, I did want to buy some of these. I didn't get the chance to, but like I found them here and I'm so happy. I can't wait to have these. We just left IKEA. I ended up just getting the robes and then a carpet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I got when I get home. Right now we're actually gonna go get some food. We've been out for about 3 hours now, which is not bad. I feel like we were really fast. We got everything we needed. We left. So now we're gonna go eat some food because we are starving. It's been kind of a long day, but it really hasn't. If that makes sense. I know, we're literally about to pass out. So far this morning I just had, what did I have for breakfast? I had 4 boiled eggs and a green juice. What did you have?
Sis, I just had coffee.
Oh, okay, she's dying. So we're gonna hurry and go to Pura Vida. And Adora down here, I think she's really thirsty. Her next meal is around 4:30, so she still has about an hour. Pura Vida is so cute. Look at this vibe. Adora's even excited to eat. She hasn't ate. It's time for her to eat now, so I think I'm gonna just order her some chicken here. She actually eats raw food anyways. So I got the salmon bowl. This has quinoa, avocado, and then also cherry tomatoes, onion, and mango, and arugula, my favorite. Does also come with this sauce here. And then Iris got a pesto chicken with some cheese. That actually looks really good.
So good.
Yeah, I love it here. It's so good and healthy. So I want to go ahead and show you guys everything that I got from HomeGoods. I got so much stuff. I am so satisfied. Every time I go by myself, I feel like I see things, but I just need a second opinion. So shout out to my friend Iris for coming with me, because she made everything a lot easier. Her vibe is like my type of vibe. Like, we love the same home decor. Like, her house is beautiful. So I want to go ahead and just show you guys everything that I picked out from HomeGoods. So the first item that I got is this soap. I did need to refill my soap in my kitchen, so I got this lemon scent. It was just giving me Positano vibes. I just got back from Europe not that long ago, and everything over there was lemon. So I was like, oh, I want some Italy vibes in my home. The next item that I got is this cute little tray. I'm gonna be sticking to this color for my home. So this is like a wood color, also beige, white, and black. That's gonna be like my aesthetic. So this one was $14.99. It is really cute. The wood is perfect. I might just put like some candles here, or or I might use this to put like my keys and everything that I take on a daily basis, like my wallet, my keys, my AirPods, and all of that. The next item that I got is these cute little salt and pepper holders. Like I mentioned, everything in my house is gonna just be white, black, and beige, so I feel like this is so cute. I don't like to keep anything outside my kitchen, but I just thought this was really cute. I was like, why not just put salt and pepper out? Or it's also good when guests come over, I can always just put it on the table when we're eating. So this one was actually $12.99. This next item, I thought it was such a steal, so I got this book. It did have a cover, but I removed the cover just because I didn't like it, but I wanted just some type of black book. I'm gonna go ahead and put it like on a coffee table and maybe put another book on top, and then maybe just like a vase or a candle. I do also like the gold here, it's really cute. So I then got some picture frames. These are also so cute. I used to have these at my old home back in LA. I had this one, and no, actually I didn't have this one. I had this one here. So it is beige. The color is like a little off, but that's just the style. So this one was $7.99. It's for 2 pictures, and then this one was $5.99 for just one 4x6 pictures. So I'm gonna be putting these. Do you guys see that shelf unit back there? I'm gonna go ahead and put beige decor in this shelf unit here. I'm gonna be putting this, and then this picture frame, and just a couple more decor that I got. The next item that I got is this really pretty crystal. It's like a off-white. It's so pretty. Look at the edges here. This one was $16.99. I did wish they had another one, just because if there was 2 of these, I would have put them like as book holders, like stand-up books, and then put one here and then one on the side. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for another one like this. And the next item are these little cup coasters. These are perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. So it comes with 4. These are $7.99. They are pretty heavy. They seem like really good quality, and they do have just a little touch of black, which I love, because my kitchen, I have a little bit of black on there, and I'm also going to be doing like the beige color that I showed you guys, the wooden one. So these were perfect. The next item, I got this bath pillow. I've been looking for one of these. I've seen some, but they're just like weird colors. Like I've seen like pink ones, blue ones, and I wanted just a beige color. So this is perfect. I do take a lot of bubble baths, and I've been needing one of these. It does have the little these little grips here, and this was also a really good price. This was $9.99. I've seen some on Amazon for about $25. It does feel very comfortable. The next item that I got this pretty vase. This is so cute. I think I'm gonna put either eucalyptus or pampas grass or just some pretty flowers. I did just purchase a entry table yesterday, so I'm excited. I cannot wait for it to get here. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next videos. My next video is gonna be decorating my living room with me. My living room is really basic right now. I just have some couches, this TV stand, and that shelf unit. It's just so simple. So I'm gonna give my entire living room and kitchen a makeover. That's why I did go shopping. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. So this vase was $9.99. I think this was a really good price. Iris actually got the same one as well. She said she was gonna use it for fresh flowers. The next item that I got is this other vase. This is the same color as that one. I feel like I can put them together like this. Maybe in the entry table. I can probably leave this one empty and then maybe put the eucalyptus on this one, or maybe some pampas grass. This one was $29.99. So then I did also get this candle. This candle is like the colors that I want to do everything. So this was the first item that I found, and that's when I was like, okay, I'm gonna do everything these colors. So this tray actually goes perfect, does it? Yeah, it does go perfect with the bottom of this candle. And this candle actually smells really, really good. It's so pretty. This one was $12.99. I think this is gonna really make the black stand out. Okay, the next item that I got is this beautiful like vase. I'm not sure if it's a vase or what it is, but I just think this was really cute. I love the shape. I love the color. I love the texture. This one was $19.99. It is also pretty heavy. I don't know if I'm gonna just go ahead and put it out like this on that shelf, or maybe like add those little ball things on here, or maybe add something. But this one is actually one of my favorite items that I also got. And going on to the next item, I did get this really cute fragrance diffuser. I've never seen anything like this. I usually always see like the little clear diffusers, and they have the sticks, and then they have just like a little flower. But I've never seen anything with pampas grass, so I thought this was really, really cute. I am for sure gonna put this on my coffee table, maybe with the bug. This one was only $12.99. I don't know what it smells like, but I just hope it smells good. And now going on to the next item, I did get this cute little towel shower. This is gonna be for my fruit. I'm gonna keep this out. Like I mentioned, I don't really like to keep anything on my kitchen counters, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Maybe put like some fresh fruit in here, or maybe even put like cute decor, or I can even make like a little coffee section with this, even though I don't drink coffee. Or I can probably do like little tea. I can put like little tea things here. We'll see what I do with this, but I just thought this was cute. And the next item that I got is this throw blanket. I'm gonna be putting this in my bedroom. So in my bedroom, I'm doing like this color, white and black. And then my living room, I think I'm gonna do white, black, beige, and then a pop of green. And this throw blanket was $19.99. It's really cute. I like how it has these little tassels here. And the next item that I got is this pillow. This is the green that I wanna go for. I do like how I'm sticking to just black and neutral colors, just because the holidays is coming up. I feel like it's gonna be very easy to decorate. So like for now, I can do like this green, and then like maybe for fall, I can change up the pillows to orange, and then Christmas, I can add some red. So I'm excited that I bought some beige couches just because they go with everything. This pillow, I did get it for $24.99. I am also going to be on the hunt for another one of these. They only had one, so I hope I can find a second one. So that was everything that I got from HomeGoods. I did also go to IKEA. I just didn't purchase a lot of things there. So from IKEA, I did get this rug. It is really thin. Now that I look at this, for some reason at IKEA, it looked like it was black, but for some reason it looks gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how this looks on my floor. I also did just purchase this one just so I can test it out with Adora. She's still kind of potty training. I don't want to spend too much money on a carpet and then she just pees all over it. She messes it up. And lastly, from IKEA, I did get some robes. So I actually really like robes. I like to use them when I get right out the shower. These ones were actually $29.99. I bought in robes from other places and I feel like the length just always comes off. These ones, they don't. They're really good quality. So if you're looking for robes, IKEA has the best ones. So that is everything that I got from HomeGoods and IKEA. I hope you guys liked this video. I will be doing a lot more shopping vlogs, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.